I'm going to make chukka kura pappu. This is known as sorrel leaves in English, khatti palak in Hindi. For this, I've taken a bunch of khatti palak, 1 tomato, medium size, 2 green chillies, piece of ginger, some oil, groundnut oil I have taken, sambar powder, turmeric powder, and for bagar some udad dal, rai, jeera, 1 red chilli, and little bit of hing. I have boiled half cup of toor dal with little turmeric. Let's see how we make. I'll be making this in cooker because I want the tomatoes and the khatti palak to be little soft. I've added the leaves. I'm adding the cut tomato, ginger, green chilli, you can add crushed garlic also if you like the taste, little bit of turmeric, sambar powder, and little bit of salt. I'm adding little of dal water which I had reserved. You can add plain water. About 1/4 cup. Give a good mix and let's cook for 1 whistle. Now it's cooled. It's perfectly cooked. I want this way. Now I'll be mashing this with a dal masher. Give a good mix. It's perfect. Now I'm adding the dal. Cooked dal. Don't make the dal too soft. This way it tastes better. And don't put much water too. Little bit of water. It's perfect now. Now, let's give tadka. One teaspoon of groundnut oil I've taken. Small piece of hing. One broken red chilli. Udad dal, jeera, mustard seeds. Give it a good mix. Little Channa dal and some curry leaves. I prefer putting coriander leaves also in the bagar. Pour over the dal. Just
Pour
simmer
over the
for another 3 to 4 minutes.
pappu.
It's done. Today I'm going to serve this with
chukka kura
Adavi
pappu
kakarkai.
and adavi kakarkai.